Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I am doing a review on some glasses I got from Payne Glasses. I'm doing a little try-on haul. All glasses. I got 5 pairs of glasses. I want you guys to comment below which ones are your favorite. I'll be telling you my favorite as well, so make sure you guys look out for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it right here so you can follow me there. Also, don't forget to check out the description box. The description box will have the direct link to every single pair of glasses that I got today that I'm going to be showing you, and all the other glasses that they have on their website as well. So do not skip the description box. All right, thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, we're gonna get right into this. We are trying on some glasses today. So the box will come like this. All right, so the glasses look like this. So this is the packaging on the first pair. On the wrappers, it does have a sanitized sticker. It says that it was sanitized on the 21st of this month. On here, I didn't get any prescription glasses, but they do have your name on the individual package, which is nice. So straight out the package here, it looks like this, very nicely wrapped. I think these are some cat eye glasses I picked out. Oh yes, these are so nice. So you have this nice little like cloth to clean your glasses, and then these are the first pair I got. Oh my god, these are so freaking cute. I forgot what these are. They have like the tortoise, it kind of looks like a tortoise frame here, and then an extra gold frame as well. It's like a 2-layered frame, and then the legs look like this. Very, very cute. Oh, these are so cute. These are so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. Okay, so I'm not sure the name of these. I'll have the name to these glasses right here, and also the direct link will be in the description box. Don't ever skip the description box, okay? But yes, these are absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love these. Look how they look. Mind you, you can get prescription glasses on this website. All mine are clear, and I didn't get any sunglasses, so all of them will be like clear lenses. But yes, these are very comfortable, very light, and she's just looking chic. She's looking like she's minding her business, but she's spicy if you want her to be, okay? I love them. Oh my gosh, absolutely love. I think these are my favorite pair, and I accidentally put them on first. So anyway, we're not playing no games around here. All right, let's get to the next pair. She cute though. All right, so the next glasses also come in the same box here, sanitized on the 21st again. All right, so this one is also wrapped in the cloth. The cloth does have if you could see that, Payne Glasses, it has the PG on there. That's a cute detail to have. All right, so these ones are, I believe they're like rectangle, something rectangle if I remember correctly, but these are super cute. This is what the legs look like, and then on the inside it does have feet on these ones, and then it's a gold frame. Very, very cute. I love these. I love how big they are. And I love this like little aviator like detail that goes across there as well. Very, very cute. Okay, let's try these on. Oh my gosh. So I love these two. These are so Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna be wearing glasses for no reason all the time. Grocery store, where my glasses at? These are so cute. I feel like they go with my face shape very, very well. Very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. Sits on my nose really nicely. Look at the detail up close for you guys. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. These are like a perfect accessory to your outfit. Any casual outfit. So cute. I love these. Again, I'll have the name right here for you guys. And the link down below. I like her. I like her. So cute. Next pair. This is to measure your, it's to measure your eyes. If you want to get like some custom made glasses, they'll ask you your measurements. So anyway, that's cool to have, because when I was on the website, I sure didn't know what to put. Definitely didn't. So that's really cool that they have those in there. So the next time I sure will. All right, so the next pair, looks like another tortoise lens. And these ones look like so. These are giving like a little tiny cat eye, a little tiny one. She's giving cute. This is what the legs look like. Inside looks like this. They have the little nose rests built into the lens on these ones. But yes, look really, really cute. Really cute. Okay. These ones are giving definitely straight A's, okay? These ones are giving straight A's. I'm studying. I'm not missing no questions. You're asking me the answers to these questions, okay? Yes, but still giving like sex appeal. It's the cat that gives you the sex appeal. Educated sex appeal. Yes, we love this. We love this. These are so cute. La 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 la. I love the clear glasses. Like, I just love I don't need glasses. My vision is, I don't want to say perfect, but it's great. But I'm fronting from now on. I need glasses, okay? These are cute. So the next pair looks like this pair. Ooh, she's giving gray suede. She's giving gray suede. Very cute. Ooh. I don't know. Is this dark brown? Or is this black? I don't know. Ooh, these are some big frames though. Yes. 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 I love these. I love these already. And these are nice, and they're a little heavier than the other ones, I must say. And they have like a little detail right here on the corners. Very, very nice. These are so, these are giving geek. These are giving geek, but I love it. I'm a smarty pants. I'm a smarty pants. These are so cute. This is exactly what I was imagining when I ordered these too. This is exactly what I was imagining when I picked these out too. I love these. These give me, what is that superhero? Is it Superman? It's giving Superman. It's just giving sexy gentleman in a suit. Naughty school teacher as well. Hair up. Hair up. Ooh. I'm wearing these today. I'm definitely wearing these today. I love this look. Y'all, I love this. I love these. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Direct link will be in the description box. Don't worry, I got you. I got you. These are so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I think these ones are my favorite. This is everyday glasses. This is everyday glasses. This is the everyday glasses. Okay, this frame is everyday glasses. Why I like the geek look. It's definitely giving me geek. It's giving me loner. I don't talk to nobody. I look around and observe. I love it. What's up? What's up? Talk to me. I'm just kidding. Not playing with you. Not playing with you. Hold on, what's going on with my frizzy curl? This is so cute. This is so cute. Okay. All right, let me move on because I'm gonna move on, but I'm putting these to the side because I'm putting them right back on. Okay. All right. And the last pair is going to also be in a suede box. This is the last pair, y'all. I got 5 pairs of glasses. The last one, I think these ones are the clear ones. Spoiler alert. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Oh, I forgot what shape I got these in. Oh my God, these are so cute. Okay, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Oh, I think these are squared. So, these are the last pair. Very simple, just clear all the way around. Again, the nose rest on the frames, very comfortable. Nice and big, clear, square glasses. Ooh. These are so cute. What a cute accessory. I love these clear frames and I love how big they are. Even if I wore them down, ooh, that looks cute too, where I'm a little bit low on the nose. Yes. Yes, baby. These are also giving, these are giving me, I can wear these with jeans, t-shirt, and some sneakers. Put these on. Very cute. These are cute casual. Again, you can get all these prescription or not. I don't need prescriptions. I just like the accessory. Yes, baby. She's cute. And these are super duper lightweight. Very, very comfortable. And I love how big they are. I have a big head, so it's going big, big. Boom, boom. Yes and yes. So cute. I love them. I love them. So adorable. That is the last pair. All right, y'all. I went ahead and put on my favorite glasses. These are really cute. I don't know. I think the first cat eye ones are cute too, though. Hold on, let me see. Okay, so comment below in the comments these ones or these ones. This is definitely giving, I'm about to teach you something nasty, okay? I'm about to teach you something nasty. Comment below your favorite pair. Okay. Alright, I think these are my favorite, y'all. I think this is it, and I like them a little low on my nose because I'm snooty. I'm just kidding. Okay, you guys, that is the end of my review. Again, all these glasses are from Payne Glasses. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details, the direct links, all that good stuff. All these glasses are very affordable. I think I bought a couple of them were only $6. So make sure you check out the description box and their website for all the other frames that they have. Again, they have sunglasses, they have prescription glasses, or you can just get clear, no prescription, just like I did today, just because you want to spice up your outfit a little bit more, you know, do whatever you want. But again, thank you, Payne Glasses, for sending me these glasses. I love each and every one of them. These are my favorites. Love them so much. Make sure you guys check out the description box, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.